your Delta faucet is dripping, then it's a seal issue. If you're getting water outside the stem here, coming down around here, then it's a cartridge issue. There are 3 different sealing places. One of them is there's a seal on this shaft. There's a seal for around the outside here. And then there's a seal way down in the bottom there, which is the one you would change for dripping. If your Delta faucet's just dripping, very likely it just needs a new seal like this. And it generally goes down in there. They use this particular type of seal and spring in all kinds of stuff. You can get the parts from Rona, Bonafide Delta.